Now I will tell you how to convert black and white photos to color. Open your browser, then search palette.fm. And upload your black and white photo. Here we go, you can see your photo now. You can use the filter. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos and share with your friends.